Hi, this is Sharath from Team Avion, and our theme is related to COVID-19 crisis communication, and we are calling it as community clinic team. And in this unforeseen scenario, the main issue what we also see is like buying of an essentials like essential commodities like groceries or medicines, like which is one of the key criteria to survive. So that is what we have taken as an main theme. And what we are doing is we are building an one-shop portal for essential items purchase via a chatbot. Chatbot is something which we are building using an IBM Watson assistant, and we are also providing for this through the voice-based helpline agent, which means that we have a Twilio agent available, which we are integrating with Watson, so that this can also be done through the helpline agent through via phone, so without using a chatbot. So here the main use case is like once user comes into the system, and based on the user location, we would provide the nearest shop details. And the additional one more additional advantage here is like in that shop, the user can see whether the people are following the social distancing norms or not. So how we are doing this is like we have come up with a unique, peculiar social distancing ranking ranging from 1 to 5, wherein 5 is an highest and 1 is the lowest, where people are not following any norm. So how we are doing this is using an IBM visual recognition models. We have created our custom models. This how this would work is like it would analyze the CCTV images. Based on that, it would predict and also assign this social listening scores for all the shops. This is what we are trying to do, and based on that, we would provide options for the users. If the score is high, we would provide option to go out and book the time slot. When does he want to visit the shop? If they are not following any safety norms, like we only provide the option to do the online booking, so that they can book the orders directly through the portal. And this portal is also mobile compatible. And one more ML use case which we have done here is the panic buying prediction. So people start buying the things like more than what they need at this scenario. So what we are doing is we are utilizing the ML services and making sure that if it is a panic buying pattern, we are trying to avoid that pattern. So let's go to the demo and then quickly verify. So this is the Cloud Foundry application which we have built it, and at the bottom we see the chatbot available. And if we go to the chatbot and click on the groceries, uh, so it would ask me for the pin code. So I would here and enter the pin code. So this pin code, based on this pin code, it would provide me the nearest shop location. And here I can see the shop location, shop details, contact number, timings, and also the map also available, Google Map available. And also I can see that this is the social distance score what I was talking about. So where they are following in all the norms here. So it is at the low risk. So I can go ahead for booking the time slot to visit the shop. So this is one of the option which we are providing, so that when we select rent, so it would provide me the time slot. So this is the time which I can visit the shop. So let's go for other scenario wherein I want to buy the groceries, and I will provide the shop like which is of the high risk area. So here I can see this shop is not following any safety norms. So it is saying this is the high risk, and you should not actually visit the shop at this point of time. So instead of that, I can book the order directly from online itself. So I would select, so it would show me what are all available in the shop. So we have ordered and only few as part of the POC. So however, we can add more. So once I confirm that, it would book the order directly here and provide me the order details and also the payment link to my mobile number and email ID to go ahead and book it. So this is what we try to cover. I'm just going, just want to show the visual recognition things as well. So if I go here and see that, like, this is where we have built a custom ML model, and where we can upload our images and show whether what is the pattern, exact pattern in here. And this is the visual recognition model which I was specifying while showing the chatbot demo. So wherein we can see that based on the people and also whether they are wearing the masks or not. So this is what the custom model can identify. So we can see here that the image has identified that whether people are wearing mask or not. So here it has given, it has specified a class wherein it has identified that people are not wearing the mask. So this is what we are making use of custom visual recognition model, and for the further implementation is also to integrate this with an auto AI model. Thank you, and handing it over to Vikram for the panic buying model demo.
Hello everyone. Let us look into the demo of panic buying prediction. The idea here is we are going to create a portal which will be integrated with any shopping app, online shopping app for groceries purchase, and we'll be checking in real time the items purchased by a person. And if that seems to be of a panic buying trend, then we'll be stopping that purchase and requesting them to verify the quantities. So we are using machine learning algorithm here. Based on the previous purchases, we'll be training the machine learning algorithm and predicting whether it's a panic buying pattern or not. Before moving on with the demo, we will just like to show that we are using IBM auto ML model, and we are using this service to generate the algorithms, and the top ranked algorithm is logistic regression, which is used for classification. So we'll be going ahead and using this algorithm to make our prediction, and we'll be publishing this as a web service and leveraging this in our application. So we pass the parameters from the front end and to this web service, and it would be analyzing using the machine learning algorithm and giving us back the response. So checking this, coming back to the demo. So if you take for a sample, let us consider we are giving some minimum quantity of the items, and saying that the family count is 1, and submit it. This correctly predicts that it's a normal purchase pattern. Please proceed with your purchase. So let us revise this and increase the quantities. Let us say we are giving 8 kilograms of onion, 7 kilograms of tomato, 4 bread, and 9 kilograms of rice, and 10 kilograms of dal, and the family count still remains 1. So this looks like a panic buying prediction because we are trying to purchase more than what might be actually required. And here you see, here it correctly predicts that it's a panic buying, and please revise the quantity of purchase and try again. So this way we can stop panic buying at the initial stage itself and make sure that the groceries reach those who really require it.
Hello, I'm a Demo Community Clinic. I can help you to get basic needs like grocery, medicine in these difficult times. What are you looking for?
I want groceries.
What is your PIN code?
500048.
Okay. Here's the nearest grocery shop available in Mumbai from your location. Shop name is Gansham and contact number is 9999364569. The shop timings are 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Social distance score is 1, which means it's a high-risk area, because social distancing has not been followed in this particular shop. It is suggested to stay home and stay safe. We will help you to place your order online. Please select any one combo offer. 1. Combo 1 rice 1 kilogram oil 2 liters sugar 1 kilogram 2. Combo 2 rice 5 kgs, onions, 2 kgs, sugar, 2 kgs.
Combo 2.
Your order is registered and placed with the vendor. Your order number is 109354. We have sent you a payment link to your mobile number. We will deliver your order shortly to your registered address. Thanks for choosing us. We are committed to provide each customer with the highest standard of customer service. Stay home. Stay safe.